Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's have a quick tutorial on how to save WhatsApp status on Android smartphones. This will work for both photos and videos. Here we are not using any third-party application. So let's get started. Open your file manager, and go all the way down to this WhatsApp folder. If your file manager went on vacation, go to Play Store, and install a file manager. Now, open the WhatsApp folder, then the media folder, and check out this option in the top right corner. This may look different in your smartphone. Open Options, and click the Show Hidden File option. It will show a folder named .statuses. Open that folder, and you will find all the WhatsApp status from your contacts. Those will last only till the user remove their status. So, to save permanently, choose the photos or videos, and copy to another folder of your choice. That's it. Subscribe for more upcoming content. Have a nice day.